Good morning, children. How are you all? All are happy? Studying well? Doing your homework? Good. Today we will read our lesson 15. Lesson name is Vishan Ki Dileri. What is the lesson name? Vishan Ki Dileri. Vishan is a boy. Vishan is a boy. Can you see in the picture? There is a boy. Do you know how old he is? He is a 10-year-old boy. Okay, what he is wearing? See, he is having a sweater, socks, full cloth, cap, hat, everything he is having. Means this is a winter place. Okay, this is a winter place. Some hill station is there. So this is a story of a hill station boy. His name is Vishan. Which place he lives? Too much cold is there. Okay, there they are growing the apple also. Okay, and apple where it will grow? In North India, where snow falls. Okay, like your Shimla, Manali, Himachal, Jammu Kashmir, this all places apple grow because this is a snow hill station. Okay, snow will be there, hill station, and too much cold. So this boy is living there, and this is the story from that place. So boy name is Vishan. Little I will read for you and I will translate, and rest class summary I will say you because lesson is too big. Vishan Ki Dileri. Dileri means courage. Dileri means courage. A 10-year boy, how he is showing the courage in this story. सुबह का समय था. It was a morning. It was a morning. पहाड़ों के पीछे से सूरज झांक रहा था. पहाड़ means mountain. पहाड़ means mountain. Behind the mountain, sun was peeping. He is looking. Means it was a sun rising. It was a sun rising. 10 वर्ष का विशन घर से बाहर निकल आया. As this was a morning, 10-year-old Vishan, he has come out from his house. वह रोज इसी समय इसी रास्ते से कर्नल दत्ता के फार्म हाउस पर जाता है. And daily this time only, this road only, he will go to some person, कर्नल दत्ता, in his farm house. कर्नल दत्ता की पत्नी पढ़ाई में उसकी मदद करती हैं. And कर्नल दत्ता wife helps him in study. फार्म में लगे सेबों के बाग में कीटनाशक दवाओं का छिड़काव हो रहा था. And lot of apple trees there. In that some medicine they are putting, so insect will not eat. Okay, they are just spreading the medicine. बहुत तड़के काम शुरू हो जाता था. And there early morning people will start to work. विशन पगडंडी में से अभी सड़क तक आ ही रहा था कि उसे गोली चलने की आवाज़ सुनाई दी. Vishan from the land, he was coming to main road. Suddenly he has listened some noise, some gunfire sound. Okay, someone has fired the gun. उसने इधर उधर देखा, कोई भी दिखाई नहीं दिया. He has looked here there but he couldn't find anyone. वह कुछ ही दूर चला था कि उसे फिर गोली चलने की आवाज़ सुनाई दी. Little more he has walked and again he has listened that gun sound. इस बार एक नहीं 2-3 गोलियां एक साथ चली थीं. This time not 1, 2-3 shot one by one someone has done. Okay, गोलियों की आवाज़ से पूरी घाटी गूंज गई. With this sound, whole valley ना it was echoing. पंछी घबरा गए. Birds got scared, and in that valley they started to round round. They are not sitting on the tree, just they start to fly round round. विशन सहम कर पेड़ों की आड़ में छिप कर खड़ा हो गया. And Vishan also, he got little scared and he has hide behind the tree. विशन जहाँ खड़ा था वहीं चुपचाप खड़ा रहा. Where he was standing, there only silently he was stand. उसे वहाँ से सीढ़ी नुमा खेतों और फलों के बाग साफ दिखाई दे रहे थे. From there he can see the agriculture and apple orchard. खेतों में काम करते हुए किसान भी दिखाई दे रहे थे. And he can see lot of farmers who is working in. आवाज से पूरी घाटी गूंज गई. With this sound, whole valley ना, it was echoing. पंछी घबरा गए. Birds got scared. And in that valley they started to round round. They are not sitting on the tree, just they start to fly round round. विशन सहम कर पेड़ों की आड़ में छिप कर खड़ा हो गया. And Vishan also, he got little scared and he has hide behind the tree. विशन जहाँ खड़ा था वहीं चुपचाप खड़ा रहा. Where he was standing, there only silently he was stand. उसे वहाँ से सीढ़ी नुमा खेतों और फलों के बाग साफ दिखाई दे रहे थे. From there he can see the agriculture and apple orchard. खेतों में काम करते हुए किसान भी दिखाई दे रहे थे. And he can see lot of farmers who is working in farm. फसल तैयार खड़ी थी. And that wheat crop was ready to cut. सुबह की हल्की धूप में खेत सुनहरे दिखाई दे रहे थे. And morning sunrise was there, so everything was looking golden. विशन अभी सोच ही रहा था कि गोली किसने और क्यों चलाई होगी. विशन was just thinking only, who has shot the gun and why someone will do like this. तभी एक और गोली की आवाज आई. Then suddenly he has listened one more sound, firing sound. एकाएक विशन को गोली चलने का कारण समझ में आ गया. And suddenly Vishan got to know why they are firing the gun. Next story, just summary. I'll tell you what has happened. So when Vishan was listening, now he got to know, because every year when wheat crop will be ready to cut, lot of wheat will fall down. That time only there is a bird. In Hindi we will say teetar. That is a brown color bird. Some people are saying forest hen, but real name is patris. Real name is patris. Okay, that people eat also. Who eat non-veg, they eat that bird also. In Hindi we will say teetar. So teetar like wheat too much. Okay, teetar likes wheat too much. So when crop will be ready, they will come to eat the wheat, and that time only hunters comes also, and they will kill the birds, and they will take and they will sell, because people love to eat them. Okay, but what they will do, hunters will come, lot of firing they will do, so lot of bird will be die. How many birds they have seen, they will pick up and they will take. Some birds they are not able to find only where they have died, and some bird will be hurted but not die, and slowly they will bleed, and slowly they will die. Okay, then bad smell will come, and this is not a good job. He got to know. Suddenly he is going, he has listened some sound. Okay, and he got scared. What is that? Slowly he has gone close. He saw there is a teetar. In picture you can see there is a bird. They have fire on that, and she got badly hurt. She was not able to move. Then Vishan, what he has done, he has taken out his sweater and he is trying to catch the bird, because definitely that bird was so inside that hunters can't catch the bird, and that bird is not dead also, so she will get too much pain. So small boy, he is trying to save the bird. He is taking out his sweater, and smartly he has thrown his sweater on the bird, and he has catched the teetar. and he start to run. And when he is going, suddenly he saw 2-3 people start to chase him. Then again he is fast running, and they are shouting, "Hey boy, small boy, give our bird, otherwise we will shoot you also." Okay, they are making scare, but that was his area. He know the way. Fast he didn't scare, and he just running, and that 2-3 hunters, they are chasing him. They are saying, give my bird, otherwise we will shoot you also. But this boy didn't scare. He want to save that bird. And from backside he went to Colonel Datta house. Just here backside gate he has climbed, and he has gone. And some garage is there where waste thing is keeping, there only he got a tub, and he has covered the bird with that, and slowly he has gone on roof. And from there he was looking, what's happening. Then from main gate that hunters come. Okay, that hunters, they came from main gate, and they are talking to Colonel Datta. There is a boy, he has entered in your farm, and he has stolen our bird. Please, we want to get our bird, and we want to get that boy. But Colonel Datta told, you are hunters, every year you people are coming. So he told, yes, we are having the gun license also, and village head also we have taken the permission. Then Colonel Datta was very upset. He told, you people are not doing good thing. You are killing the bird and living in the farm only. You are not taking also. They are getting hurt and they are dying. Very bad work you people are doing. Go, here there is no child. Just he has shouted, and he sent them back. Okay. So they did not get it. Then when they have gone, this boy, he has came down, and he showed fast. Then Colonel Datta and his wife, they have come, and they have given the first aid. Just they have cleaned the wound, and they have put some medicine on that. Okay, and they gave little water and broken wheat to eat that teeter. Okay. So they ask, what you are going to do with this? They help that teeter. Okay, they put bandage and all those things, and they ask the Vishan, what you are going to do with this bird? He told, I'll keep this bird as my pet. Okay, I'll keep this bird as my pet. And happily he has taken that bird to his house. Okay, and they told, give him broken wheat, because teeter love to eat the wheat. So here a small boy, how he is trying to save a bird. He is not scared with gun also. This was the story. So children, try to read. Here in your book some small exercise is there. Okay, half word they have given, and half word you have to think and write. Okay, like comparing word is there. I'll read for you. वह इतने धीरे चल रहा था. He was walking so slow, like a very slow. Who will walk? That only you have to write. Turtle. वह इतना धीरे चल रहा था मानो कि कछुआ हो. Okay, he was walking so slow, like he is a turtle. Second one, रात में चमकते तारे ऐसे दिख रहे थे मानो जुगनू चमक रहे हों. So night time stars are shining like that. Think that maybe you have seen night time some small insect is there, na? That when they will fly backside, one small light will be there like a radium. Okay, that is known as a जुगनू. So रात में चमकते तारे ऐसे दिख रहे थे मानो जुगनू चमक रहे हों. थर्ड वन, तुम तो मंगल ग्रह के बारे में ऐसे बता रहे हो मानो वहाँ पर गए हो. So you are explaining Mars planet like that, feeling you have stayed there. फोर्थ वन, बिल्ली चूहे को ऐसे ललचाई नजरों से देख रही थी मानो चूहा उसके मुंह में हो. So a cat was looking the mouse with so greedily, so hungry, like she was feeling that rat is in her mouth. Okay, so half word is there. You have to write comparing word. Word meaning: पहाड़, mountain, घर, house, पत्नी, wife. पगडंडी, फुटपाथ, शिकारी, हंटर, तीतर, पैट्रिक्स, पहाड़ी, हिल्स, पंख, विंग्स, कुत्ता, डॉग, भौंकना, बार्किंग, करीब, नियर, हिरन, deer. So this is your word meaning. Next we will go for question answer. विशन घायल तीतर को क्यों बचाना चाहता था? Why विशन want to save the hurted तीतर? Answer will be विशन नहीं चाहता था कि तीतर तड़प कर मर जाए. विशन don't want that तीतर should die slowly because he was hurt. He don't want to die that तीतर. So he saved his life. विशन कितने वर्ष का था? How old विशन was? विशन 10 वर्ष का था. विशन was 10-year-old. फर्स्ट एड बॉक्स में क्या चीज़ें होती हैं? इन फर्स्ट एड बॉक्स व्हाट आइटम वी कीप? इन फर्स्ट एड बॉक्स वी विल कीप कॉटन, बैंडेज, डेटॉल एंड सम बेसिक मेडिसिन लाइक wound medicine, some fever medicine, okay, like this basic, and some burning medicine if you have burn, that like a burnal or something we will keep in first aid box. फर्स्ट एड बॉक्स का इस्तेमाल कब किया जाता है? When do we use फर्स्ट एड बॉक्स? फर्स्ट एड बॉक्स का इस्तेमाल हल्की फुल्की चोट लगने पर प्राथमिक चिकित्सा देने के लिए किया जाता है. सो फर्स्ट एड बॉक्स वी आर यूजिंग फॉर प्राइमरी help, okay, primary help you can say, like suddenly something little you got hurt, for that we will use. Before doctor comes we will apply something, or before you are going to doctor what medicine or what we will apply, that is called, we will use first aid box. पहाड़ी इलाकों में छतें ढलावदार बनाई जाती हैं क्यों? क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. इन हिल स्टेशन व्हाई रूफ विल बी स्लोपिंग? पहाड़ी इलाकों में बहुत बारिश होती है इसलिए छतें ढलावदार होती हैं. इन हिल स्टेशन it will rain too much and snow also is there, so a proper slope will be on the roof, so water and snow can easily come down. की पत्तियां व उनके प्रयोग. So in this lesson they have given some leaf, okay, they have given some leaf, and how we use that leaf they are asking to write. So some leaves are very useful like a first aid or some other thing. First, tulsi. You all know the tulsi leaf. Every house tulsi is there. That is a type of medicine. At different purposes we can use. In cold you can use, some skin disease you can use, okay, and for prayer also we are using. Tulsi is having lot of benefits. So here they are saying how we use tulsi leaf. आंसर विल बी तुलसी का प्रयोग विभिन्न प्रकार की दवाओं के रूप में किया जाता है. सो तुलसी लीफ वी यूज फॉर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ मेडिसिन. सेकेंड वन, नीम. नीम लीफ यू नो, दैट इज ऑल्सो अ मेडिसिन, ओके, वी यूज नीम लीफ एज अ मेडिसिन पर्पज. नीम की पत्तियाँ घाव लगने पर, पेट के कीड़े मारने व हेयर ऑयल के रूप में प्रयोग की जाती हैं. सो नीम लीफ, if you got some wound, that leaf na, you just crush like a chutney and put it on that, all bacteria will die and your wound will be covered soon. And if someone is having some like some bacteria in their stomach, neem leaf juice you will drink, all will die. And some people like a hair mask they apply the neem leaf, otherwise some people neem oil they will apply on the head. If you are applying neem oil for whole life till 80 years also your hair will not gray. मीठी नीम मीन्स करी लीफ. हाउ यू आर यूजिंग द करी लीफ? मीठी नीम की पत्तियाँ खाने में डाली जाती हैं. दिस मीठी नीम मीन्स करी लीफ वी यूज फॉर गुड फ्लेवर इन आवर फूड. आम की पत्तियाँ पूजा पाठ के लिए प्रयोग की जाती हैं. मैंगो लीफ नामली वी यूज फॉर doing the prayer. We will tie in a Friday or some festival will be there. Mango leaf we will tie on our door, and in some puja we will use that leaf as a spoon. Amrood means guava. Am means mango, amrood means guava. Guava leaf how we will use? अमरूद की पत्तियाँ बालों के लिए प्रयोग की जाती हैं. So this guava leaf people use as a hair mask. Otherwise, that guava leaf juice people are drinking who is having a diabetic sugar patient. They use that guava leaf juice. Tej patta means bay leaf. Bay leaf where we will use? We will use like a garam masala when you are making the biryani, when you are making some chicken, mutton gravy or paneer gravy or some good gravy you are making, that or biryani, you will use the bay leaf. That when you will use, it will come a very good flavor. Kela means banana. Banana leaf how you will use? Banana leaf be used for eating the food. Okay, we will eat food on banana leaf, na? Yes. Sagwan also is a forest tree and their leaf is too big. So that leaf people will collect and they will use small cup, bowl, plate. Okay, just they will dry it and they will maybe some leaf bowl you have seen, leaf plate you have seen, that all are sagwan leaf. Okay children, so today we have read our lesson 15, Vishan ki Dileri, question answer, word meaning, book exercise and usage of different types of leaf. So in your assignment you have to write your word meaning, question answer, book exercise you have to write in your classwork only, and usage of leaves. It's lengthy, so take your time, write neat and clean. Okay children, thank you, have a good day.